Once upon a time, there lived a village boy named Ramesh. He lived in a small village surrounded by green fields and quiet roads. Every morning, he woke up early and helped his parents with their work. Life was simple, but his dreams were big. Ramesh dreamed of going to the city and finding a good job. He wanted to support his family and change his future. Sometimes he felt afraid, but he never gave up hope. One day, with his parents' blessings, Ramesh left his village. The bus moved slowly, carrying him toward the city. He looked out of the window as familiar places disappeared. When he reached the city, everything felt different. Tall buildings, busy roads, and fast-moving people surrounded him. For a moment, he felt small and lost. Then he reminded himself of his dream. He searched for a small room to stay. After many tries, he finally found a simple place. It was not perfect, but it was enough. Every day, Ramesh walked from office to office with his resume. Sometimes he heard no, but he kept moving forward. One afternoon, his phone rang. It was a call for an interview. His heart beat faster. He prepared carefully and reached the office on time. He spoke honestly and confidently. A few days later, good news arrived. Ramesh was selected for the job. His hard work had paid off. On his first day at work, he felt nervous but proud. He listened carefully and learned quickly. Day by day, his confidence grew. That evening, he called his parents. His voice was filled with happiness. His parents felt proud and peaceful. With time, Ramesh grew stronger and wiser. The village boy had found his place in the city, and so his journey became a story of hope, courage, and success.